Old Tom Rides here. I'm going to replace the brake pads on my KTM 390 Adventure. Why? Because the organic pads really suck. They don't really give much stopping power at all. I'm going to be replacing them with EBC HH sintered pads, which I've used on numerous bikes in the past, and they are the bomb. So we're going to be doing that today. I've not done this before, but I looked at the manual, and it looks like it could not be easier. There's two pins, one here, one here. Pull those pins out, pull the rod out, pull the pads out, replace them, put them back in. How easy could this possibly be? Let's hope that it is actually that easy. There's one pin. There's the other. And pull the pins out. The pin shaft goes out the back. Pull the pads out. Easy peasy. The new one's in. Put the pin back in. Oops, darn it. There we go. Not too much. Get the pin back in. Keepers back in. And that is that. Simple as can be. Organics out, sintered in. Take a test ride, see how they work.